Hello everyone, today we're reviewing PriceDropClub.com, a deal aggregator site with 292,000 TikTok followers claiming to find the best Amazon discounts. But with online shopping scams being the #1 most reported scam and 80% leading to lost money, is this legit or just affiliate link spam? Let's investigate. So according to Scam Detector's analysis, PriceDropClub is a website that focuses on providing users with the latest deals and discounts available on Amazon. As an affiliate, the site earns commissions from qualifying purchases made through its links. This means they're not selling products directly, they're finding Amazon deals and earning affiliate commissions when you buy through their links. This is a legitimate business model used by sites like Slick Deals, Honey, and Wirecutter. The good signs: active social media presence with 292,000 TikTok followers, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook groups, and Telegram channels showing they're building a real community. Transparent about affiliate model. They openly state that they earn commissions, which is honest, unlike scam sites hiding their motives. Real Amazon links. When you click link deals, you go to actual Amazon product pages, not fake stores. Deal Finder tool allows you to search thousands of Amazon promotions and holiday offers. The concerns: anonymous ownership via domains by proxy.com. Legitimate businesses often hide that information, but it reduces accountability. Scam Detector notes proximity issues. The analysis mentions the site has some connection to questionable platforms, though not definitive proof of scam. Aggressive marketing. TikTok and social media ads pushing deals can feel spammy, even if deals are real. Affiliate incentive conflict. They make money when you buy, so they're motivated to make everything look like a great deal, even when it's not. The real risk with deal sites: even if Price Drop Club is legitimate, here's what to watch with any deal aggregator. Too good to be true warnings. FTC reports consumers lost $432 million to online shopping fraud in 2024 alone. Criminals use fake deal sites to capture money and personal information. The 90% discount red flag. It's 90% discounted. Hot bargains designed to make you act with urgency rather than thinking things through. Fake Amazon deals. Some scammers create lookalike Amazon product pages. Always verify you're actually on Amazon.com before entering payment info. Based on available evidence, PriceDropClub.com appears to be a legitimate Amazon affiliate deal aggregator, not a scam selling fake products. They're finding real Amazon deals and earning commissions when you buy. However, just because they're not a scam doesn't mean every deal is actually good. Always verify prices, check Amazon reviews for product quality, compare with other deal sites, and don't impulse buy just because it's on sale. The final verdict: PriceDropClub.com is a legit affiliate site, not a scam, but verify deals independently. They're finding real Amazon discounts, but you should always check price history and compare before buying. Use them as one tool, not your only source for deals. For a trusted deal aggregation, also check Slick Deals, Honey, Camel, and r/deals on Reddit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.